Hi everybody, welcome to the oral training section of the course. What is oral training? It's training your ear how to hear harmony. So it's not just about singing what you know or singing what you feel is right, but you've actually got to train your ear. And I've mentioned this before in a lot of my videos, but singing is not just about training your voice. You have to learn to hear a certain way. In fact, singing sharp and singing flat can often be a hearing problem, not a vocal problem. And so often when I have people that have trouble with harmonies or trouble with pitch, I won't just work on their voice. Sometimes it is their voice. It might be breathing. It could be tension in the body. But 9 times out of 10, they're just not listening for the right things. And that's okay. Someone probably has never taught them correctly. So that's what this course is for. So how do you do this section? Now, unlike the other sections, this one you do have to do in succession because it's going to get harder as you go along. So I want you to start at the beginning and go through them all and then try the exercises out for yourself. And if you're confused by anything, please just get in touch with me. I'm here to help you, and I'm going to add to this course as I go. So you've got some basic tips to start, but as we continue in the course and we start getting more and more ideas, and I start getting some more ideas for you, I'll keep adding to the course. So keep your ear and eye out for that. Your ear, did you see that I mentioned it? So let's get straight into it. Start with the very next video, and we will see you and hear you in the next few lectures.